Hi guys, I wanted to give you guys a tour of the Google Classroom because I feel like a lot of you guys are getting overwhelmed by what's in there. Keep in mind that we have been using this classroom all year long. So there's a lot of stuff that we've actually already done. When you first enter your classroom, you're gonna be on the stream, which is at right, which is I'm indicating at the top of the browser window. So you'll have this big banner, and it'll say stream. And if you just scroll through there, you are not going to know what assignments are what. Unless you really, really want to read it, but it all looks the same. So I wouldn't do that. I would always go here to classwork. When you click on classwork, this is much more organized. I wish there was a way for me to make this the page that opens up, but I can't do that. So when you get there, I'm going to have at the top, you've got this contact info, updates, and weekly announcements. You always want to make sure that you're watching the weekly announcement because I go over what lessons you need to do that week. I will also start adding in tutorials like this one right there. The other thing here is the science quarantine. It's called science quarantine because I want you guys to know exactly where to look. Now, these are great on my screen. They're grayed out because you guys don't have these yet. These are for the next few weeks to come. I like to work ahead. So these are the ones that you have. It says virtual lab report. This is a tutorial. This is how to access your science assignment. Here's unit 6, lesson 2. These are the things, these are just things that you need to watch. These are your lessons that you need to do. Same with the math quarantine. You see these gray ones? Those are not. You guys don't see those yet, but you do see these ones that are showing up in blue right now on our screen. These are the ones that you should be doing. So this part 3, it says view more. So part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, those should have been done like the first 3 weeks of our quarantine. If you haven't done them yet, then don't do them. These two I put out there because there was like this random week when you guys had no work to do. So I put that out there for those of you who were online doing your work. If you haven't done those, then don't do them. Or if you want to just click submit and add a comment saying, hey, I wasn't working at this time, that will work as well. Then you should only have these 3 lessons: Unit 4, Lesson 1, Unit 4, Lesson 2, Unit 4, Lesson 3, or Lesson 4, Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 4. Let's see, can I read? Okay, so those are your math quarantine. Under ELA quarantine, this again, this part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, these were videos made by the district for those first 3 weeks. There are no other ELA lessons at this time because I'm not your ELA teacher. We're still working on figuring that one out. Another way that you can navigate is if you go over to this left side of your screen, you will see these different topics. So if you're like, okay, I just want to go to math, you just click on math, and then all you're going to see is your math assignments. Same with science. You go here and look. All you see are your science assignments. Same for contact info, updates, and weekly announcements, which I'm probably going to rename that, you guys, to make it shorter, like important info here. And then you can just see exactly what is under that topic. This is the best way to navigate Google Classroom, and so I highly suggest that you just ignore that stream and always go to classwork and just focus on the specific topics that you need to. I hope that this is helpful. I'm going to push it out to students as well as to parents. That's it. Bye.